Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So today I have a bit of a challenge video. The first time I film a sort of video that has like rules per se. So I'm doing the 10 by 10 capsule wardrobe challenge. Now, I'm sure you know I don't have a capsule wardrobe myself. I have quite an expansive wardrobe, but I decided to put this together for an upcoming trip. I am going to Amsterdam this weekend and I thought it was the perfect excuse and opportunity to put together a 10 by 10 capsule wardrobe for my trip. Now, I do think it's somewhat excessive for 3 days, basically a long weekend away, but I feel like it's all right. It's an all right number. So if you haven't watched these videos before, basically the premise is you get 10 items, and with those 10 items you can sort of mix and match and create 10 different outfits. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start off by sharing with you my chosen 10 items to take away with me to Amsterdam, and then I will of course show you 10 different outfits. Starting off with outerwear, I decided to go for 2 pieces, which again could be excessive for only 3 days away, but I feel like I want to go out there, I want to create a lot of content, and I feel like these 2 pieces will work perfectly day to night as well. So the first piece I decided to go for outerwear wise is this cute little blazer from Bershka. I picked it up really recently. ASOS recently did 20% off, so I did a little bit of shopping and I got this on ASOS. It's just a gorgeous like cream off-white colored blazer, which I love. I've been seeing so many of these. I've seen some on Topshop, on places like Zara and Mango, but they're all really quite expensive. And despite loving the look of a blazer, I don't wear blazers that often to sort of justify spending that much. So this one was $29.99 full price. I got 20% off, like I said, and it's just nice. It's potentially not as long as I would like. I have a red one from Vero Moda, which is super long, but that was from the tall section, so that could be why. But I love this one. I think it's like quite a nice length and it's a gorgeous color. It will be absolutely perfect for this time of year. And then my outerwear option number 2 is a faux leather jacket. So basically just like a biker jacket. This one's from New Look. It's got sort of like, it looks like a soft like buttery leather finish. It is faux leather, but it's just like a bit more oversized and a bit more loose fitting. So when it comes to tops, I only have 4 and I kind of feel like I'm not sure if this is too little, but we'll see. I feel like once you see the outfits that I feel like I can create with these pieces, we'll see if it's okay or not. Like, I don't know. I'm only leaving on Saturday, so I feel like I've still got time to make changes if necessary. So do let me know if you think I've made silly choices. But I've gone for a t-shirt. I've gone for a couple of t-shirts actually. This is just a plain white one. It's just a crew neck t-shirt. It's from Misguided and it's just like a really nice fitted one as well. And I feel like these are so flattering. So I went for a standard white t-shirt. And then for something a little bit different, but still on the t-shirt front, I went stripes and I went for a sort of orange. I wanted to say mustard, but it's definitely not orange. I mean, it's definitely not mustard. It's definitely orange. And I just thought it'd be a little bit of fun. I thought it'd be nice to add a bit of a pop of colour, I guess. There isn't too much colour in my outfits because obviously I want them to be able to like mix and match and like intertwine with each other. But equally, I've tried to steer clear of too many like dark wintry colours too. I've also popped in a jumper. This is just from H&M. It's just a white jumper. I really do like this, but the sleeves are quite short. I think you can tell like the sleeves are quite short. I don't really know if they've just shrunk in the wash from having this for so long or if they were just always quite short, but they definitely don't like reach my wrists at all. So I feel like it's quite a nice spring jumper. It's also white, so it's going to go with everything. It's going to be perfect for mixing and matching and perfect if it gets a little bit cooler. The weather currently, oh my gosh, the forecast for Amsterdam is honestly all over the place. Like, hopefully we'll get some sunshine, but it just looks like cloudy. There's potential of rain on Monday. So, you know, it's not looking too great. So I feel like a jumper is a necessity. And then I've gone for a top that I feel like is a bit more dressy. So potentially for like an evening or something. And it's just a black puff sleeve top. It's more like a corset style, which I really adore. I think it's super flattering. A square neck, and I just adore a square neck. And then, yeah, like I said, the puff sleeves. I've also popped in a dress. I don't know if this is me being a bit ambitious, but I would love to just wear a midi dress, like honestly. So I've popped in this one, which is my River Island one, which I love. I feel like it's quite covered up along the top, which is really nice, but it's also got a little slit down the side, which I think is beautiful. Can't see, oh, it's here. A little slit down the side. It's just beautiful. It's a gorgeous little midi dress. It's a lovely, lovely shade of green. My last three items are bottoms. So I've gone for a midi skirt. Again, I feel like this will be quite nice for an evening out, or even like during the day. I feel like this is an easy one to dress up or dress down. It's a gorgeous slip skirt, which is super popular. It's potentially a little bit darker than I would have wanted. Like, I do kind of think this looks a bit autumnal, but with a white top or just like a light coloured top, I feel like this will be perfect. And then potentially even paired with something a little bit darker, like that puff sleeve top, it will be beautiful for an evening. And then I have two pairs of jeans. Of course, I practically live in jeans. If it's going to rain, if we get bad weather, I'm going to be living in jeans. So I was so close to only packing one pair of jeans and doing a few more tops so that I could mix and match a little bit more. But then I thought, no, if it's raining, I know myself and I know that I'm just going to be wearing jeans. So the first pair are from ASOS. Again, recently purchased with the 20% off code. They are the Florence jeans. They're in a gorgeous white light wash denim, and that's what I really wanted. I really wanted a lighter wash denim. I have a lot of dark wash denim. I have a lot of like blue, normal blue jeans, and I feel like this is just more of a like bleached denim effect, which I think is perfect for spring. Like I said, trying really hard to still have a bit of spring like injected into my outfits, whether it be with light wash jeans or with like just white tops instead of dark tops, you know, just trying to make my outfits look a bit more spring, and I'm hoping that these will be perfect at that. And finally, another pair of jeans. These are the Topshop straight leg jeans. They're in a stone wash like finish. And I will admit, I was torn between either these ones or my white jeans, my white mum jeans. But I took my white mum jeans away to Copenhagen, and I've just been wearing them a lot recently anyway. So I kind of thought like, okay, I'll take a little bit of a break from them. And also if it does rain and stuff, I just don't think white jeans are going to be the most practical. So I thought these were potentially a little bit better in terms of the coloured denim front. Not a dark wash, not black, nothing like that. So I thought, again, this would be really nice paired with the like whites and the neutral colours that I've packed or will be packing for Amsterdam. So yeah, also packing these, hoping I've made a good decision. I really don't know. I think once I put together my 10 outfits, I will be like, yeah, made a good decision, or like I'll see that actually I'm missing something. So before I go ahead and share with you my 10 different outfits, I thought I would quickly run through footwear. I'm going to be sharing two different types of footwear with the styling section of this video. First up, a pair of Doc Martens. Oh my gosh, these so aren't me. My dad saw these boots yesterday and he was like, are these boots yours? They look like army boots. And they're actually my best friend Stephanie's. She came over yesterday really kindly and let me try these on and borrow them for Amsterdam. I just feel like they're such an Amsterdam vibe. Like, this is what people in Amsterdam wear. It's like that super chunky, like just a chunky military kind of vibe, and I don't know, I just really like that, and I kind of want to emulate that whilst I'm there. So yeah, I asked my friends to borrow these, so I'm going to be styling up a couple of outfits with these. But equally, I know I'm going to need something that I find comfortable, that's going to be easy to walk in, that I know sort of don't hurt my feet or anything like that. And that for me has got to be Converse. I just think Converse are so comfortable. These are the white leather version, and I wear them so much. They are so dirty. I might give them a bit of a wash before we go, just so that they're a bit like whiter and fresher. I'm sure they'll get dirty whilst I'm out there, but yeah, love those. So I'm going to be styling with these two pieces. However, my dilemma is both of these are very casual in terms of footwear, and I kind of feel like I'm going to need some sort of shoe that's going to look nice at dinner or like drinks at a bar and things like that, and I don't think either of these fit the bill. So yeah, I don't know, is it excessive for me to take 3 pairs of shoes for a 3-day trip? I mean, yes. So I'm really torn, but I thought I would just go ahead with these two for the sake of this video, just show you like casual daytime outfits, and then when it comes to what to wear in the evening, I have no idea, but I'll get to that when it comes. With all that out of the way, let me show you my 10 different outfits. thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you all next week with a brand new video. Let me know if you would like to see a travel vlog. I am considering doing a travel vlog whilst I'm out there, so do let me know if you'd like to see that, and if you would, I will try extra hard to get one filmed for you. But let me know if you like that sort of thing, or if you'd rather I just do something else, just let me know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new around here. You can also click the bell for notifications, and I will see you all in my next video. A big thank you for watching. Bye.